Hello dears, welcome to the Soundaya Nursing channel. So in this video we are discussing about the most important 1 marks question. Subject is anatomy, physiology and microbiology. So whatever I am explaining now, the 1 marks question, make sure that you have to be practiced well. Otherwise you only going to face the consequences. So dears, I am again telling that whatever I am telling now, the 1 marks very important questions, make sure that you have to be practiced in well manner. Okay, so let's start. So first question is mitosis. Mitosis is the process of cell duplication or reproduction during which one cell gives rise to two genetically identical daughter cells called as mitosis. Second question, fertilization. The fusion of male and female gametes is known as fertilization. Okay, the fusion between male and female gametes known as fertilization. Next question, extension. Extension refers to a movement that increases the angle between two body parts is called as extension. Example is extension at the elbow, increasing the angle between the ulna, right? Angle between the angle, right? That is between the ulna and the humerus. Example, you can write the increasing the angle between the ulna and the humerus, right? So these are the two parts. Extension means it refers to movement that increases angle between two parts, right? So example is between the ulna and the humerus. These are the two parts between the extension, right? That we can call as a movement, right? Movement between the ulna and humerus. This is the example of extension. Next meaning is infection. Infection means what? Multiplication and the reaction of host tissue to the infectious agents called infection. Next question, tendon. Tendon connects muscle to bone called as tendon, whereas ligaments means bone to bone. Tendons means muscle to bone connection called as tendon. Next question, microbiology. Microbiology is the study of microorganisms. Those being unicellular means single cell, multicellular means multiple cell, called microbiology. Microbiology means study of the microorganisms, that may be bacteria, fungi, protozoa, etc. is called as microbiology. Next question, meiosis. Meiosis is a type of cell division that reduces the number of chromosomes in the parent cell by half and produce 4 gamete cell called as meiosis. Next question is histology. The study of tissue called as histology. Hist means tissue, logy means study, called as histology. Next question, diffusion. Diffusion means is a physical process where molecules of a material move from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration called as diffusion. Next question, pasteurization is the process of heat processing a liquid or a food to kill pathogenic bacteria to make the food safe and to eat is called as pasteurization. Next question is pulmonary circulation. So what is the meaning of pulmonary circulation? The pulmonary circulation is a concern in carrying deoxygenated blood from the right side of the heart to the lungs and again bringing oxygenated blood from lungs to the left part of the heart is called as pulmonary circulation. Next question is immunity. What is the meaning of immunity? Immunity is the ability of the body to protect against all the types of foreign bodies which enter the body called as immunity. Immunity means whatever the foreign body will be enter, no, that against it will be fights is called as the immunity. Foreign bodies means pathogens, that may be bacteria, parasite, fungi, whatever it may be. So immunity means the ability of the body to protect against the foreign bodies. That's called as a immunity. Fighting against the particular microorganism or pathogens is called as a immunity. Next question is cytology. Cytology does mean study of cell, called as cytology. Cyto means cell, logy means study. Study of cell called as cytology. Next is hypersensitivity. Hypersensitivity does mean undesirable reaction produced by normal immune system including the allergies and autoimmunity, called as hypersensitivity. Next question, anaerobic. Anaerobic is an organism that does not require oxygen for growth. So for the growth, the anaerobic doesn't need any oxygen is called as the anaerobic. Whereas aerobic organism is need the oxygen, right? But here the question is anaerobic. Anaerobic organism are doesn't need any oxygen for the growth. So these all are the important 1 marks questions in anatomy, physiology and microbiology. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.